Mhm. Sorry, now only I switched it on. Doesn't matter. No problem. Good, good. No. In the case of equitable mortgage, during my times when I was working in bank, there was no question of any registration with the registrar. Now, what is the procedure adopted for that?
I'm not sure, sir, about that.
Why have you not done any advances in your branch?
So only the lead generation, sir, and the document collection, remaining everything will be done from the loan proceed department, sir.
Yeah, please get to know about these things, because in your Bank of Maharashtra interview, they ask technical questions like this and all. Okay.
Sure, sir, sure.
You must get. Now, can you tell me what are the challenges being faced by banks nowadays?
Major challenge is NPS, sir. Now NPS are increasing. That is one of the major challenges. Second one is like the customer. Hello.
Tell me.
The customer expectation is more, sir. So like they are expecting the quick and fast service. So now banks are getting upgraded digitally, but the pace of upgradation is less.
What else? What are the other problems we can tell?
Third one is like nowadays online frauds are more, sir.
Okay. Next. Here, talking about frauds, in a place like Canada where I am now, there is no question of any OTP and all. There is no need for OTP transactions. Simply, you take your cell phone, just press, and it is done immediately. But I don't know how these people are ensuring that. If this is my cell phone now, and if it gets into the hands of a person, he can immediately operate it, because since the password is also loaded into that. Normally you should not, but for me, no big balance, but I'm just telling you. So what is the reason for the cyber crimes? How they can be avoided?
First thing is that we should not share any details to anybody. If you are getting any call, like wishing call, we should not share any details over the phone. We should make the customer aware that they should not, they are not supposed to share any details of their account, because bank won't ask any details from the customer. Second thing is that we should educate the customer. That is the only option to prevent the crimes.
Yeah. Now, regarding problems faced by banks, you can tell many more things, like say heavy competition from, say, among banks, then NBFCs. From foreign banks. Not only that, the lack of proper knowledge of the customers. Customers are not fully exposed to the computerization. Even I am a retired chief manager. Even I am not able to operate sometimes due to lack of awareness. And then, as you said, rising expectations, and the customer retention is also a big problem. Customers, they have so many avenues. They jump from one place to another. Then outdated mobile experiences. Then changing business models. Now and then, rules and regulations change. So that is also causing a big problem. Digital adoption, then process and profitability, system and security growth. Very good. You told all the points, but 2 or 3 more points. I suggest you go to Google and put the question: problems faced by banks, challenges faced by banks, and accordingly frame your answers for them. Good. Now, when you joined ICICI Bank in 2015, how old were you?
Right now, 31 years.
I asked in 2015, what was your age?
It was 2015, 24, 25.
Yeah. So what was your expectation from ICICI? What do you wanted to become?
What was my requirement was, I want to grow in the organization. So I want to gain knowledge in the banking. I want to grow in the organization.
What did you do to fulfill these expectations? Did you study for JIAB, CIAB and all? Many of you would not have studied.
Sir, right now, ICICI Bank didn't renew the membership with the IIBF, sir. So
Acha?
whoever is right, sir. So
Is that-
whoever is working,
Oh,
whoever is working in ICICI Bank, they are not in a position to get a membership for JIB. They are not in a position to apply for the JIB and the CIB.
really? This point
sir.
nobody has told me so far.
Okay.
This point.
Last year I tried, sir. Last year I was trying for the same thing. So then I came to know that it was not renewed.
I suggest you join as a non-bank employee. You can write diploma in banking operations. And later on, it can be equally equated to JIB also, so that when you join public sector, you may get it. Doesn't matter. So this is the first time I'm hearing this news that they are not encouraging. But many times what happened, officers used to tell me, I was not aware that there is an exam like JIAB. That's what they used to tell me. Good. Now, can you share your knowledge regarding mutual fund industry's position right now in India?
Once again, sir.
Mutual fund industry position in our country.
Not sure, sir. So.
Kyun? See, you have studied mutual fund distribution, certificate examination, you have
Yes,
worked
sir.
as a relationship manager. Right now, though you are not dealing with it, you must try to update your knowledge regarding the mutual fund industry. I think right now, supposing you go to Google and search top 10 mutual funds in India, it will give you so many. ICICI Prudential Focused Blue Chip Equity Fund, Aditya Birla Sun Life Small and Mid Cap, Tata Equity PE Fund, HDFC Monthly Income Plan, SBI Nifty Index, then L&T Advantage Fund, likewise, Canara Robeco Gilt PGS. So many things are there. So you must know about the mutual fund industry, and they can also ask you, are you not dealing with cross-selling now in your office?
Sir, I'm doing the mutual fund. I'm selling the mutual fund. I'm doing the cross-selling of the mutual fund.
Which fund are you canvassing now?
Sir, we are doing only ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, sir.
That is right. Say like that. You should have told me that my fund is the best. ऐसा बोलना है. And I have told you the other answers already. उसको भी prepare कर लीजिए. अच्छा, you are staying in Kerala.
Sir, currently I'm in Bangalore, sir. I was born and brought up in Kerala. Currently working in Bangalore.
अच्छा. So you have any problem in being posted in the northern India?
No, sir. I am ready to relocate anywhere. Yes, I was born and brought up in Kerala in a village, and when I started working in ICICI Bank, I got posting in urban area. But I'm ready to relocate anywhere in India.
Good, good. Who is the finance minister in Karnataka now?
Sorry, sir. End update.
Mr. Bommai, Chief Minister is the finance.
Basa Raju Bommai.
Yeah. Now, who is your governor in Kerala?
Sorry, sir.
Arif Muhammad Khan.
Arif Muhammad Khan.
Arif Muhammad Khan. That's
Arif
right. Yeah.
Sure.
Now there has been a change in the Chief Election Commissioner. Who is the Chief Election Commissioner?
Rajiv Kumar.
Correct. New person has come. Who was there before?
Previous person name I don't remember. I'm not able to recall. I'm not able to recall.
Sushil, na? No, 1 minute. Sushil Chandra. Correct. It was Sushil Chandra. Yeah. In fact, we have Venkatesan here. Venkatesan?
Yes, sir.
You know who was the Chief Election Commissioner before? இவருக்கு இப்ப நேத்தில இருந்து இன்னி 14th ல இருந்து சேஞ்ச் இருக்கு. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி சுஷில் சந்திரா தான். கரெக்ட். அவர்தான் நினைக்கிறேன். சுஷில் சந்திரா தான். கரெக்ட். Is the same person. Good. Now, Mr. Surjit, why should we select you?
So I have total 6.5 year experience in bank.
Your name is Srijit, na?
Srijit, sir. Srijit.
I told you differently. Why should we select you? Tell me.
Sir, I have total 6.5 year experience in banking. First 3 years I was working as a relationship manager. wherein I was successful and I got promoted as a deputy branch manager. Currently working as a deputy branch manager, and I'm handling a team of 3 people. I'm driving business from them and meeting the target of the branch. And last year audit was there for the branch, and we got highest rating in the audit. That is 7-star.
Good, good,
Last
excellent.
3 years, my branch book size has been increased by 150 CR. Deposit book has been grown by 150 CR, and the asset book has been grown by 79 CR.
Can you tell me something about digital banking development in ICICI, and in what way you have learned that, in what way you are increasing it?
So nowadays everything is digital in ICICI, sir. So we can open the account through online itself. The video KYC option is there. So customer no need to come to branch at all for opening the account. They can do it from home itself. And even for applying for the personal loan and everything, they can place a request through internet banking itself.
Good. Then,
and a demat account opening also can be done through online itself. And they can apply for the insurance or as any mutual fund or any other product, they can apply through online itself.
Can you tell me various digital products given by ICICI? Hello?
Hello?
Digital products of ICICI Bank.
Digital personal loan is there, sir, that can be availed through online itself. The pre-approved offer.
No, for this question answer, okay, those are all correct. I think you have to tell me about internet banking,
net banking and mobile banking.
Mobile banking, then WhatsApp. So many things are there. For example, if you go to Bank of Maharashtra website, did you go through that and find what are their digital products?
Recently, sir, they launched the digital Kisan credit card, and that one I am aware, sir.
So many things they have done digitally. Digital products. Just a minute. No, about us, about career, contact, type here for search. Digital, yeah. And yeah, what is your involvement in advances?
Sir, we are generating the leads, sir, for the personal loan, home loan, car loan, two-wheeler loan, and we are passing the lead to consent team.
Achha.
So generating the lead and some documented part we are doing from the branch itself.
I suggest you are going through the Bank of Maharashtra website. That digital banking tells us internet banking, Maha Mobile, Maha UPI, ESBTR. You know what is ESBTR?
No, sir, no.
I think it is some receipt. ESBTR. Then personal digital banking, debit cards, credit cards, then e-gadgets. What are e-gadgets?
It's like a wallet kind of thing, sir.
Then digital signage system, Bharat bill payment system, B.O.M Aadhaar Pay, NETC FASTag, WhatsApp banking. Itna dete. Acha, NETC FASTag operates on which technology? Because
RFID technology.
Very good. Good. Then regarding Bharat bill payment and all, which company's platform is this?
NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India.
Who is the chairman of NPCI?
NPCI.
Dilip Asbe. Now, can you tell me something about National Financial Switch? What is it?
That is a product which has been developed by NPCI. So this is like a interconnected network of ATM. So customer can.
Good. You told that nicely. Can you tell me something about RuPay cards, and where is the need for RuPay? Why not we do with other cards? RuPay
is a payment processing platform which has been developed by NPCI. Earlier, we were using Visa and MasterCard for the debit card and credit card platform. Now, the NPCI has developed our own platform for payment processing, which is called RuPay.
Correct. Now, why there is need for this? Why government is very keen on propagating this more? Yeah, I think I can ask our friend Venkatesan. Venkatesan, why government is keen on propagating RuPay cards?
Sir, the first thing is we need to be indigenous ourselves so that the data don't need to be shared with any other countries. Sir. So we'll be having our own servers and our own data storage system.
Correct.
And the second one, I think no, sir, I don't have it.
No. Second one is other Visa, MasterCards, they are all foreign companies. And whenever we pay charges for them, the charges have to be paid in terms of foreign exchange.
Okay. Okay.
So by having RuPay cards, we can save enormous amount of foreign exchange commission that we have to pay to the others. Correct?
Yes.
Very good.
Correct.
Very good. Nice. Good. Now coming to say our 1 minute. I was in NPCI, na? Yeah, NPCI, of course, if necessary, kindly go through some of the points and get to know that. Now talking about interest rates, Srijit. Srijit?
Yes, sir, I'm hearing, sir.
Yeah. What is the present housing loan interest rate of our Bank of Maharashtra?
Right now 6.80. Previously it was 6.40. Now they increased from 6.40 to 6.80.
What is now present car loan rate?
7.20.
Good. Gold loan?
Gold loan starting with 7%.
Good. Now can you tell me something about, have you worked in rural branches?
No, sir, no.
No. You have been working in only urban branches. Yeah. Can you tell me what is FCNR account?
A foreign currency non-resident account, that amount is lying in foreign currency. That is a facility which we are offering for the NRI customer. So
no, but you can tell some details about it, like say in which currencies it is taken.
Total 6 currency it is available: USD, GBP, Euro, Japanese yen, and Singapore dollar.
I don't know, but you better get to know those details.
Sure, sir.
And also tell minimum period what, maximum period
minimum
what.
period is 1 year and the maximum period is for 5 years.
Very good, very good. And tell what is the special advantage of this.
They are keeping the money in the foreign currency itself. Normally NRI can, what will happen actually, if it is in NRO or NRE, amount is lying in INR. If they want to repatriate, that time they are supposed to convert the currency into foreign currency. In this case, they are not no need to convert into foreign currency itself.
See, exchange fluctuation risk is avoided. Exchange fluctuation risk is avoided. What is the present value of dollar today, roughly?
Sorry, sir, I didn't know.
Venkatesan, you know?
Around 78 to
78 over. Oh, it was 77.49.
Okay.
77.49 is what I say. Yeah, 77.49. Mr. Srijit, what is the reason for this fluctuation, Srijit? Hello.
Reason for fluctuation in foreign currency, right, sir?
Yeah.
The reason is like balance of payment, like import is more and export is less. In that cases, this currency value may go up. Demand for the foreign currency is more, then automatically that the foreign currency value will go up, sir. So rupee will depreciate and foreign currency will appreciate.
Now my question was why it is going up now. I think I have posted a video also on that. Otherwise, see, the reason for that is lot of remittances are taking place from India.
Yes, sir. FPI is lot of FPIs are withdrawing, sir. That is the reason why it is going up as well.
Exactly. That you could have told me. Apart from that, say for our imports are more than exports. Very good. Nice, Srijit, for coming for the first time. And I think you have done well. I appreciate you. I have not gone into tough areas like advances. because you said you are not worked in that area
Sure.
and you are not studied JIB also. Do you have any questions?
So which all area I should correct, sir? Because I'm little nervous. So
No, but
even though I
see,
know the answer, I'm not in a position to express. That is
yeah,
my major problem. So
that is
how
the
to
that is due to fear.
that is how to correct any.
Yeah, I suggest you go through the questions I have given in our Telegram page
Okay.
and ask them. You give it to your wife. Request her to ask the questions to you. If you
Sure.
don't know, Google search and prepare your own answer and tell them correctly.
Sure.
Try practicing it that way. That will be good. Which date is your interview?
Mine is on 20th.
20th. Okay, no problem. Yeah, because I don't know whether I'll be free. You know, everybody is coming in the last moment, and so that is the reason. So if you want, you can take another mark from me, and you tell me the date and time. We can.
Sure, sir, definitely.
Yeah, best wishes. Your performance is not bad. How many marks do you expect for your?
Hello.
Now tell me how many
So
marks.
you have to rate me, sir. So
No,
you have to rate me.
I
So
will give
because
you.
I don't
I-
know my performance, right?
I will
So-
give you my rating. What is your rating?
So mine is like 6, sir, out of 10.
No, 6 is too low. 6 is too low, and somewhere around 8 to 8.5. Best
Sure.
wishes.
Sure. Thanks for support.
God
Thanks
bless
for
you.
motivation.
Nice.
Thanks for motivation. Thanks.
Yeah, you are doing well. How many kids do you have?
No, sir. Recently I got married, sir. Last year I got married.
Oh, I know. Very good. What about your parents? Where are they?
My father got expired 3 years back, and
Oh.
mother is in Kerala. She's a housewife, and my brother is there in Kerala only.
Mhm.
So my brother and my mother both are staying together.
Okay, what is happening in Sri Lanka?
Yes, they don't have sufficient foreign currency reserves, sir.
Mm.
So their import is more. So because of COVID and everything, COVID and everything, their major source of income is tourism. So because of COVID and everything, tourism sector was hit very badly. So they were not having that much foreign currency reserve. Because of that one, the currency was depreciating.
No. For this question, you should immediately tell me about change of prime ministership and the problem in that and all.
Okay.
And also tell immediately currency problem. Good.
Currency.
Yeah, you did very well. What are the states you have visited in India?
Only Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu.
Oh, best wishes. Thank you. Now we have one more person. Realme, what is your number? Excuse me, your number starts with 77.
So shall I leave, sir?
Yeah, you can go. Srijit,
Thanks,
you
thanks.
can go. Thank you. Best wishes. Yeah.
Sir, can I interview now?
Yeah. And we will close this link and come again in what is that? Our Zoom. Okay, because this will get over in 10 minutes. Okay, could you follow? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No worry. Just now I will close it. You come again in our Zoom. Best wishes. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Venkadeshan. Thank you, Venkadeshan.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Thanks for joining me.
Thank you, sir.
And best wishes. Ninga, supposing you wanted to ask some questions, do you have any questions in your mind based on Srijit was talking? I could have used that. Tell me.
Yes, sir. To all the questions he has answered, sir. Actually, I am just observing. I don't. My mind is blind now.
Very good. Doesn't matter. Blank. My mind is blank.
Yeah.
Blank.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't worry. You are doing very well. You can improve it still further. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
No,
Thank
I will close this video and start again.
Okay, sir.
So, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.